the Pixel 2 propelled on October 4, 2017, while the first Pixel and Pixel XL propelled on October 4, 2016, so it appears to be sensible to expect that the Pixel 3 will dispatch on October 4, 2018. What's more, expect is everything we can improve the situation now, as there aren't any discharge date bits of gossip yet. Yet, regardless of whether it doesn't wind up arriving on that day or in October, it will more likely than not be towards the finish of the year, keeping in mind the on-goal to leave the standard year's hole between dispatches. Cost is something else we can just speculate for the time being, as the Pixel 2 begins at $649/pound $629/1079 Australian dollars and the Pixel 2 XL begins at $849/pound $799/1399 Australian dollars. The Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL may well have comparable costs. In any case, in the event that anything, they're probably going to cost more, since the Pixel 2 XL costs more than the Pixel XL propelled at, and since cell phone costs at the top of the line appear to ascend as a rule. This is a telephone which still has very expansive bezels above and underneath the screen, and keeping in mind that they fill a need, lodging the forward-looking speakers, we jump at the chance to see them dealt with for the Pixel 3. The Pixel 2 territory has sensible battery life and backing's quick charging, yet doesn't have remote charging, which is a note for the oversight, particularly now even Apple is supporting it. Better water protection. The Pixel 2 territory sports IP67 accreditation, which implies it can survive being submerged up to 1 meter profound for up to 30 minutes. That ought to be bounty, yet these are lead telephones we're discussing and a few adversaries offer more. The Samsung Galaxy S8 for instance has IP68 accreditation, which means it can be submerged 1.5 meters profound for a similar term.